Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. Today is going to be a little bit of a channel update, but let's get the links out there so people know where they can get in contact with me while I give a brief overview of what's going to go on here. I'm going to do a few bit of changes to the scheduling with the bigger projects like the North Carolina and the Yag Tiger. I'm not having enough time to spend on each one of them, so I'm going to do weeks where I only work on that one model. There will still be other types of videos like the Warhammer Kitbashing Wednesday. There will still be Tiger Tank or Tank Saturday or the Tank Weekend, where Saturday or Sunday I put up videos about tanks, either reviews or the building techniques with that Tiger, with the Ryfield Model Tiger 1. But during the week, the 5 days during the week, it'll be specifically to one building project. And this week coming up, I've already did a live stream on it last week on Thursday. It was the starting of the North Carolina. So I want to talk about some reference books. I got a new reference book for the North Carolina. This is from World War II Combat to Museum Ship. It's by Dave Doyle. I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can see the ISBN number. There you guys go. You can see that. The camera stop shaking. There you go. You guys can see that. So there's the ISBN number. It's a pretty good book. It's got a lot of historical photos. It's got a lot of information that we're going to go through. It talks about all the upgrades and when they got the upgrades. So, in April 41, for anti-aircraft, it only had 4 1.1 quad mount guns and 12 50 caliber Browning machine guns. And by November 44, is what we're going to build, it had 15 quad mount 40 millimeters and 48 20 millimeter Orlikins. But in June of 45, it had the same with the quad mounts, 15 40 mil, but it went down to 36 20 millimeter. And at the max, it was at 53 20 millimeter in March of 44. So it went through a lot of refits and upgrades, and it took the torpedo damage, but it has a lot of great pictures of the deck and things like that. Nice pictures. It's not technically, it's good for reference for the time period, but if you want really close-up details on the reference books, my choice is the 3D super drawings, as I talk about many times. If you want the ISBN number on that, I should be able to show it to you. There you go, guys. There's that. So I'll be using this for my reference photos. And now that I have better lights, I can show you something that I was talking about with the handrails. If you look here, let's see if this works this time. If you look at this handrail here, and here, you can see the sag in the handrail. You can see that sag in the handrail. With the photo etch, the EdArt photo etch tends to have a little bit of sag in it. Not as much as the Phonos kits do when you get those, but it's mainly a post and 3 thin pieces and a cable that runs across there. So when you have your photo etch, you don't tend to have, it tends to be straight. It doesn't tend to have the sag. So I'm going to see what I can do about that coming up. I don't know if it's going to be this week because we're not going to be putting railings on, but in the near future, keep a lookout for that. And you can see here how they're mounted to a shield here with a cable with a tensioning system, and then the cable runs through little loops into the post, into like these posts right, like right. Where am I? I'm over here. Right here. So there's like little holes in the post. In there, 1, 2, 3 holes that they guide holes they run through, and then they tension them on the end, and then they tend, because they're a heavyweight cable, they tend to have a little bit of sag to them. Now I had picked up some heavy gauge or heavy easy line. It's a stretch that lasts right here. It's 100 feet, and I'm gonna play around with it. It's black. It looks the right thickness, and I'm gonna see if I can't make something. If I can make my own handrail. This being stretchy, I don't think it's gonna have the sag in it, but I will use this for all the rigging above the ship. You know, all the extra rigging above the ship here. If we can pull it up. All this right here. All this rigging that's in here, it'll be used on that. So as I said, there still will be a look on Mondays at what's ahead. There's only going to be one video on the weekend that is going to go out. It is going to be basically on some kind of tanks, whether it's the Panther tanks I'm working on, the Yak Tiger, the Riffield Tiger 1, or the King Tiger build review. The King Tiger build review is probably going to be in its own video that's going to be released one day during the week. That is going to be almost finished. It's probably got about 3 videos left before it's done. I've already started on the turret, so I will finish up the build review on that. And then we'll start another build review, probably a diorama one with the Sprue Tiger from Riffield models. So, and I still have the Painted Panther project. That's going to come out. We're going to do a week on the Panther. We're going to do a week on the Yak Tiger, a week on the North Carolina. And then I have a week on some ships that I have temporarily were loaned to me from my local hobby town to review for you guys, to show you guys in the kit and what upgrades are available for them. So, and if you want to see them built, let me know. He said he'd hook me up with a good discount if I wanted to purchase them. But I have a few kits and some reference books to go with them. All the stuff that they sell at hobby town stores. All hobby towns you can get these kits from. So we're gonna have a week on looking at those. It might run in line with a week of live streams of builds and things like that. I plan on doing more of the live stream building, especially on the North Carolina, and trying to lay out how the guns are going to be built on the North Carolina. I plan on doing that also. So, but I don't intend this to be a super long update. I just wanted to show you the new reference book I got for the North Carolina and explain to you that we're going to start breaking down projects in week-long endeavors. So I have 5-6 days to work on one project, make a lot of progress, and then we'll move on to the next project. Sometimes projects will be 2 weeks in a row. I'm thinking about doing a poll to see what the project will be for the next week. So you leave a comment, and whoever leaves the most comments for a project, that's the project that I'll work on the next week. So I don't know if I'm going to do that 100% for sure. And then anyone that visits my Patreon page would get extra votes. So that's going to do it for this video. For Crazy Gamer Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a fantastic day, and thank you very much.